Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2019 300 Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth high back bucket seats, tires, 245/45R20 BSWS performance, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise aluminum, sport appearance package included, Firestone brand tires 245/45R20 BSWS performance wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise aluminum black chrome surround 300S grille black headlamp bezels black LED taillamps bright chrome wing badge, black insert compact spare tire gloss black DLO surround molding, maximum steel metallic clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic 850 RE, STD, quick order package 20.